Hi, this is Budiz Khan, and in this video we will learn about different reports that can be made in PathLoss. I will try to make it into three different videos so that we can see one type of report in each video. Basically, these reports are those reports that are shared with the customer. So if you go in operations, then the last section is the report section. You can see here we have different type of reports like performance report, link report, and frequency coordination report. So let's start with the link reports. So in this menu, here in this column, you can see that these are different type of reports that we can select, and then we can make these reports. Here in this section, you can see that we can put it for different company names or different project name. For example, if you're working on different projects for different companies and you want the company name and the project name to be printed on the reports, then you can change the project name and the company name from here. Also, you can edit some small things, like for example the font size you can change, and the width and the height. Some things you can change here. Even you can make some small changes in the template as well. So let's go back to the report itself. So here you can see that it's a composite report generator. You can generate different type of report, like for example you can generate the path profile, transmission detail. You can even have the network display drawing. So a lot of different reports you can generate. If you have made different groups, like we have currently not any active group, but for example if you have different groups, then you can generate the reports of different groups as well. Currently I will do it for all the links because all of my links are not part of any groups. So for example, I click path profile and I say print selected links. So you can see here all the path profiles of all the links are made as a single report. So if you have 1000 links, it will generate all the path profiles. Similarly, you can have transmission details as well for the same links. If you see, these are transmission details of all the links. And if I will add these two, then what it will do is that, let's see, it will generate, for example, the path profile and then the transmission of the same link. Then it will do the similar thing for all the other links. So for the next link, the path profile and the transmission detail. So if you click more than one type of link here, it will create a report and it will edit it link by link. I mean, it will create first report of all the links. Sorry, it will create the all the reports of first link, then it will create all the reports of second link, then all the reports of third link. And if you have, for example, if you click on some things from here, because generally I have not made a lot of details of the links. For example, if you put ray trace or reflection, because these are not there, so it will not put anything. I mean, it will put only the first these two things, and it will not put anything from here. So if you click on or if you select something which is not there, then it will not print it because the thing is not there. But if it is there for any of the specific link within your links, then it will create for that specific link. This reporter is basically, it generates a report of all the links. But for example, if you want to create a report of some specific link, for example, you had created the report of all of these links. Now one link is changed, you want to create a report of that link only. For example, this link. So what we can do is that we go in transmission analysis. Here you see we have a report section. So here you can only create the transmission detail and transmission summary. But for example, if the change was only in the path profile, then what you can do is that you can go in terrain data and now you can create a report from here. So it will create only the terrain data report. Similarly for antenna heights, it will create a clearance report for you. So what I wanted to mention from here is that if you want to have individual reports, then you can go in an individual link and then you can get the reports of those links. But if you want to have a report of all the network, then we can go in operation and create the report. So I hope that this part of reporting should be beneficial for you. You should have learned something from it. In the next video, I will share with you that what is in the second type of report. So let's meet there. Goodbye.